Under user management, administrators are able to view and interact with all of the users in your FileCloud platform. This screen also displays the current assigned licensing for each user, as well as basic user details. Users can be imported from Active Directory or through Excel spreadsheet. In our case, let's make a new user manually. I begin by selecting the type of authentication from the dropdown. Next, I select their access level. Full users receive access to the permitted network shares, team folders, and personal user storage if you choose to enable it within your environment. Guest users will have access to assigned shares or drives without personal storage. Guest and full users both consume a license count. External users are able to access your FileCloud shares without consuming a license, but are restricted only to the folders and shares shared with them. After I select the user type, I then provide the additional information any user has created. Let's take a look at an existing full user for a better idea of what options we have for management. In the detail view for a user, I can see information about their storage quota, utilization, manage files, and perform various administrative tasks like updating contact information or details.